we from here, Charlie.
Music. Oh, Chasey on the beat.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Me person me Jimmy D wa every ghetto. Fresh girls for sing my song well.
Everyone, good day to you all. We are live at Kotoka International Airport, and my name is Apia Dixon, the official host for Oya TV. With the crew here, we have our director Buama, we have the media manager Mr. Emmanuel, and in collaboration with Easy Star Production, those who produce African Kung Fu. And here today at International Kotoka Airport, we are here to welcome the foreigners who took part of the African Kung Fu Nurses. And we have some people from America, Japan, China, and other countries. As you can see at my back there, they have arrived and we came to welcome them. And their journey was successful by the grace of God. Everything was good for them. And as I'm saying, we are going to their hotel for them to rest. They take their showers and rest. After that, we do other things that. But make a day, 24th December, we are going to do the premiere at Kumasi University. Don't forget, if you have not called for your ticket, make sure you call for your ticket so that you will come and watch the moving African Kung Fu. It's so marvelous and interesting moving I've ever watched. And if you have not bought your ticket, don't forget to buy your ticket and make the date 24th December at KNUST Kumasi. Don't come alone, come with your partner, come with your family members, come with your friends, and come with so many people so that you can enjoy the movie. Thank you very much, because this movie is so interesting that you need to watch yourself. Don't wait for somebody to watch and tell you what about the movie tells, but watch it yourself. I love you all and we love you. Thank you very much.
Untouchable like a pest. They want to change my destiny, oh. They want to change my destiny, oh. Because I'm a Jimmy D wa every ghetto. Fresh girls for sing my song well, oh. Me press hello, me na me feel.
Okay, Abuja said what the card do and near DHR from Kotoka International Airport no. Nina efa moving premier because we only say enyagro moving papa fe na Ghana ye de bedwama so no eno nti eja abusuafo ene na mu amlofo no ye no ma ba bedrum hotel eja ye no ma bedim community details of the moving said the enyoma si koma wo ene said the enyoma si tie premier na asementi ne asa ka mo aye de tayelo ko mo nche na ye no makwa akotwetwe community no the make a chance koso abomodin na subscribe to Oya TV na ye onyoma wodo bebre edema na Easy Star Production omo ankasa na dwumadie no esu mo na so say director Danny boy ekromia de tuntumfo ne ase adwumawura omo ana renyu oma no ona bibia sim ne na so nti no bomodi a na emawe mfie so 24th ewo ni ebehye okaniasi na ticket no nsan ka ode a bomodi na wonsan ka enka ode you have to come in numbers wonkwa woma eno dofumra eno nyamra ne namfo nyina momumra se de bibia betumi akoso nti no yanko na ye ne enyan mo modo odobo ma sa Africa Kung Fu yi etimi course na superb ye no momum komo se de nyuma esite. You are highly welcome once again.
Suatsia about here.
Hey, Utichi.
That was a friend of mine, Danny Boy, and Azonto King, and various other people. But I still suck, of course.
So Danny Boy taught you little ichi.
Very small.
Okay. It's all about the African Kung Fu premiere. I learned Mazis. Okay. I learned you wrote the script. How did you get that script that you wrote?
Well, that was kind of blending my experience of 40 years together in a mixer. I blended everything I ever knew and I mixed it together, and at some point I just wrote down the script. That's how it worked.
The name of the movie is Africa Kung Fu. African Nazis. Okay, sorry for that one. Why did you choose only Ghana Because there are so many African countries, but why did you choose only Ghana?
Because I knew before that Ghana already has a movie scene, a very good one. So I thought that would be the perfect fit. I knew that other countries like Nigeria or Uganda have movie scenes as well, but I think for my project, Ghana would be the perfect choice.
There are so many directors in Ghana, and you made mention director Danny Boy Daniel. So how did you get that link to director Daniel and his production?
Well, honestly, I just sent out random mails. When I was researching for the project, I sent random mails to random people from all over Africa, actually. And Danny Boy, when he answered in his emails, I could feel that he is serious about the project, and I also could feel that he's a very smart guy in the way he answered, and he answered very quickly. He was the only one who answered within hours, basically, even though we have a time difference of 8 hours. He was always on point, always answering very quickly, and so I thought he's the right man for the job for sure.
Social media now has tend to be some place where some people used to do their business. I want to tell you about the fraudsters. So why couldn't you get anything in mind that Danny Boy might be a fraudster? Answering my this thing, I wanted to work with you. Didn't you get any minded about that one?
Everyone told me he might be a fraudster. Everyone told me, and especially at some point, he told me I have to send him the budget in advance. And at that point I thought, oh, okay, I've been acting with Africans in Japan, but in Africa I never know.
So in Ghana, this is the first time?
Yes, first time.
And how was the experience?
Best experience of my life, for sure. I didn't want to go back to Japan.
Let me ask you this question. People were asking that you, the foreigners, sometimes you think ahead. So why did you choose only action movie, not emotional stories or love stories?
Actually, it's an action comedy movie, and I chose something which is the mix Africa, Kung Fu, and Nazis, from the Second World War. It's a bizarre mix, but it's never been done before. That's why I chose it, because you guys already know a lot of comedy. You already know a lot of like emotional movies, and I couldn't compete with that. You guys can do it better than me, but I can do something new. That's what I thought. I can do something new that nobody has seen before.
Are you a warrior? Do you fight? Are you in any security agent at your place?
I do a little bit of mixed martial arts, but I'm too old for now. I'm 40 years old.
So for now you have put a stop to that?
Yes. I mean, when I was young and dumb, I drank a lot and always fighting, but no, I don't do that anymore. Too old for that.
So per this movie, what are your expectations?
Well, for this, I mean, we already we are hoping to get this movie international. I already have like a distributor from Germany, so this movie will be not just translated, but they have like German voice actors who will voice over the whole movie into German. This is already set, so I hope we're gonna get that movie at least out in Germany and all over the world as well. After the premiere in Ghana, of course. First is the premiere in Ghana.
So for now, is it only Danny Boy that you have chosen to work it, or after him you get to another director or another production team?
I mean, my main man is definitely Danny Boy, because without him the whole project wouldn't have been possible. It was really him who did the most for it to make it happen. But there's also Director Ninja, who did all the action stuff, who also helped us a lot. And and then of course all the action superstars you have in the movie, like Scorpion, Taylor, Van Damme, of course Jack Enyedin, everyone. So of course everyone helped a lot.
So do you have anything in mind apart from this project? After this project, do you have another project with Danny Boy?
Well, I'm hoping we can make a part 2 of African Kung Fu Nazis, The Return of Adolf Robotla. That's my dream, and this time I hope the more famous this movie gets, I hope to get like foreign celebrities in the movie, but they will only take a tiny part. They will be killed by the local stars immediately. That's my plan. But I want to get like international attention on Ghana and on the Ghana movie scene as well. That's my goal, basically.
You made mention in your speech, you were mentioning the names of the cast: Taylor, Van Damme, Scorpion. How was your experience meeting them at your first time?
Oh, they were great. They were fantastic. You know, I was worried because I'm also in the movie. I thought I could not compete with them because they are much better actors than myself, I thought. And they were just fantastic, all of them.
You the white pair, how you do your thing is different from we the blacks. Were you finding things difficult with working with them, or were there any errors?
Wherever you go, you know, it's always different. You know, I'm from Germany originally, but I live in Japan now for 15 years. It's totally different as well. So wherever you go, everything will be different. So I was kind of expecting that.
Let's come to the premiere. So 24th December is the premiere taking on Kumasi. So how many people are you expecting to be at the premises?
Well, at least 1 million is my expectation.
1 million.
Yes, why not?
Hey, per what you were saying, that you said you were expecting 1 million people.
At least.
Okay, for that one. Okay, and there are some few days ahead of us for the premiere. Have you putting things in place before that day?
I just arrived, but I know my main man, Danny Boy, he put a lot of things in place. So I hope he has it all sorted for us.
The people who are coming to watch the movie, do you have anything that you give it to them, like drinks, beverages, and other things like that?
Oh yes, we definitely have Adonko bitters and Adonko Atago ginger, and maybe even the new Adonko 1, 2, 3.
Do you know what this is?
Because I love it. I told you, it's my favorite beverage.
Oh wow, like seriously.
Yes, for sure. And my fridge at home in Japan is full of Adonko.
Hey, so you have a dongo at your place too?
Yes, because thanks to Adonko Bitters, who was sponsoring the movie, they sent me a lot.
I can see you're very tired, so I don't want to spend much of your time. I have to allow you to go in and rest. What do you have at last for your people? What do you have for Ghanaians who are watching you, who are coming for the premiere?
Everybody who comes to the premiere, expect the best. You will get the best. This is a movie from Africans for Africans. It's the best movie of all time. Come and watch it. Watch out for African Kung Fu Nazis.
Thank you for your time.
Thank you very much.
Okay, abusuafo wọn sɛ yɛsɛ me kuro bi na manka bi deɛ yɛmfa nka asɛm wate ase nti no brapani nso alande wɔ ahwɛ kamera anim a watie nkɔmmɔ no ɛyɛ sɛ ɔno nso yɛtwe pin no na yɛbusa no biribi kakra ɔno nso ne expectation ɛwɔ Africa Kung Fu ne premier no. I will not let you go for free. I have to ask you one or two things for you to tell Ghanaians that you are full, you are ready, you are totally prepared for the premiere. So what do you have for Ghanaians?
What mami?
なんかプレミアになんかどういう感じになると思いますか？
Oh, like everybody likes supplies, yeah, and like fun, more like smile, and Ghanaian なんていうんやろね。
まあそれでいいんじゃないですか？
Oh, Ghanaian loves this movie, maybe.
For sure.
For sure.
Thank you. Okay.
Japanese.
I can say Japanese?
He can say Japanese, I can translate.
Yeah.
Okay. So, are you done?
いっぱい見に来てください、皆さん。ガーナの皆さん、この映画超面白いんで見に来てください。Alright?
Everybody should watch
This
this.
movie, everyone in Ghana will enjoy it. They will love it. They will all love it.
I want you to do something for me. Do you see what is written here?
Also TV.
No, look at it where.
Also TV Ghana.
No, this one is no. This one is OSO.
OSO.
So you repeat after me.
Okay.
This one stands for Oya.
Oya.
Suro. Oya. You see this time everywhere you go. Oh, why are you laughing? I want to explain for you to understand.
Okay.
Or I should cut it. I should end here.
No, I want to hear it because, actually Oya in Japanese means like parents. It has a meaning too.
Okay. do you know something? I asked you that the time that you met Danny Boy on online, wasn't you got anything in mind that he was a fraudster? In Ghana here, it's like we fear each other. We fear each other because of the mind in the person. You won't know. You won't know how the person is thinking about you. That is the reason we have this. Oya through Oya. We fear each other.
Oya through Oya. Oh, okay. You know why I knew he wasn't a fraudster? Because of the way he answered me. Because you can see when a fraudster sends you a mail, it will soon not the second, but the third mail will be about money. He didn't do that. So I could see it in his answer and how he was answering, that it was not predetermined answers he was using. So I could see he was not a fraudster.
Nani milisika.
Sika.
He's not irate.
Alright.
Endorse it for me. Endorse it.
Oh man, I love Oya Suro Oya. I love Oya Suro Oya. My favorite channel.
I was going to hear that one say, instead of the 24th of this month, December, you have to come in numbers. Obia Emma Single, Oba, Momodina, no, you know, Mambra, Uni, Lene Manso, Edena, Onyakonada, so can't mansa. Nanenembra and I saw the unya bow BBS and a son nemra. Na Nina Bomodia take it in Sanka Bia Bomodia son Sabeka take it in be said a bear drew also no do for do bado budum na African confirm premier and bet to me akoso. I wish I was a muji brumna mubeshe na a koswa. Na ye tunya efoforo dia abro na uti de broni ni kan ya o se ne part 2 ene ne ntoto aso enso edi kwan so e benti no se betunya ya na ejina won so yere wase se won so wakoso wadi achi na dwumade ne yede ne nyina ba na ye won noma wo bebra yede ebro nti no koso a na ehwe Easy Star Production na Oya Suro Oya TV or YouTube. Thank you for your time.
Oya Suro Oya TVGH. Like, subscribe, share and comment.